Lindsay.
And we love the Dutch eating place.
Hi, my name is Butch Doc with I Buy Brothers Produce. I'm here with
Junior Ash, Justin Hendricks,
and I'm very excited because Junior's going to show us how to make his world-famous home fries.
All right, let's get Okay, we pick our potatoes up at local farms. We go as far as Virginia, Delaware, Pennsylvania. We pick them up in season. When they come in season, we pick them up there. We cook them, bring them in, and we cut them up for home fries, French fries, or mashed potatoes. All our spuds are right off the farm. Our next step is we boil them. It might take about an hour, 15 minutes, and we bring them off. When they're soft, they need to be cooked, because if you don't cook them and put them on the grill, they will not fry right, okay? So if you cook them to where they're boiled, you bring them out and you cut them, and then after that, we need to put them on the grill. Okay, next we put them on the grill. We put them on here for about 20 minutes. We add seasoned salt. And if you can see, the longer you keep them on, the more well done you get them. I like my home fries well done, okay? Well done home fries, there's nothing like it, especially for fresh.